Hey guys, how's it going? Today we have a 2023 Escalade V in for an oil service. Today I'm gonna go over a couple steps that it takes to do this oil service in case you're looking to do this on your own at your house. Of course, we have it on the ground. We don't have it on a lift because if you're at your house, if you got big bucks,
Money!
you probably got a lift. But for most people, they don't have a lift, so we will be doing it on the ground. Of course, you want to pull your oil cap off and your dipstick so all the oil drains down to the bottom. Reference, this is what the oil filter looks like, just in case you guys never seen it before. Of course, you go under the vehicle right here beside the driver front wheel, and right here you have the oil filter, and then you have the drain bolt right there. So now that I got my pan down there, I'm gonna go ahead and get that drain bolt off and also the oil filter as well. The oil filter should be able to take off with your hand. If whoever did it at factory did it correctly, it should be able to just, hand twist. So the bolt is a 15. So just keep that in mind, guys, when you're doing the job. The bolt's a 15, so you don't have to go under there multiple times. You weren't able to get it off with your hand?
It's too tight!
Grab your handy dandy oil filter tool. Grip her up on there. Get a nice firm grip. Then you twist her. Yeah, just like that. So we went ahead and got the drain bolt pulled out and the oil filter removed. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those. And as well as with the drain bolt, they do not come with a washer, so you do have to buy another drain bolt. So make sure you guys get that order before doing the service. So once you have your oil filter and your drain bolt, you want to go ahead and grab your torque wrench and torque it down to 18 foot-pounds. So now that we got that all done, we're going to go ahead and get our oil poured in and for our first startup. So we went ahead and added our oil. So for the before startup, we added 7.5 quarts, and I went ahead and checked the dipstick. It was right at the bottom, so that indicated we probably need about a half a quart more. So in total, we ended up adding 8 quarts to the vehicle, being the recommended amount via all data and even WorldPack. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull the dipstick just to make sure the level is where it needs to be, and we're all good to go. Yep, right where she needs to be, right at that top line. Of course, I did go ahead and do my first 2 pulls of the dipstick. The first and 2 never are that most accurate ones. You always want to make sure you do the 3rd pull. That's your most accurate reading for the dipsticks if you didn't know. All right, so we're finished up with the Escalade V. We're gonna go ahead and get her outside. They do plan on doing some 6130 hits, so look forward to that, guys. We're just closing off here. See you guys soon in the future. We do plan on doing a lot more how-tos videos so you guys can be more informed on what you're doing with your cars every now and then. And stay tuned. Thank you, guys.